Hello, welcome to part 2 of MK's Grade 10 Excel functions. Today we're wrapping up the Excel functions for Grade 10, starting with the mean and median. Now, the mean and median are Excel's statistical functions. Now, the mean is just another word for the average. So let's say I want to give the average mark of all the tests written. I will write average, that's the function, and highlight all the tests. Voila. Now the mean or the average mark will be 66.2. Now when it comes to median, the median will be the middle ranking mark of all the tests. So if we type median and highlight all the tests, then we'll get the middle ranking mark of all the tests. Now let's quickly go to the countif and sumif functions. Let's say we want to find out how many kids are doing grade 10 in this range or in this column. So the counter function will count how many kids are doing grade 10 in this column or in this range. So let us put the function equal to countif, highlight, semicolon, and then I put a criteria of 10 to identify only the grade 10s. I press enter, then you'll see the result returns 1, which is there's only one learner who's doing grade 10 by the name of Tom. Now coming to SUMIF, you'll remember from part 1, in part 1 we said the sum will count the total. Now in this case we have two columns that we need to take into cognizance, the one with the grade and the one with school fees paid. So if I want to calculate the total paid by grade 11s, considering the fees that they've paid or the money that they've paid, then I'll have to use both columns. So this is the function. You say equal to SUMIF, highlight the grade column, you put a semicolon, and then you put 11 as a criteria, another semicolon, and then you highlight the fees paid column. So it's more like getting Excel to recognize both columns whilst you are putting a criteria in the middle. Let's press enter. 250 or 250. So if we look at Klassen who's doing grade 11, Klassen paid 150, and then we look at Maila who paid 100 Rand. Then voila, then you can also apply the same skill in totals if you're looking for totals paid for grade 12. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching this video, which is part 2. Thank you. See you soon.